Hi there, we are making mixed vegetable with spinach stock, that is Palak Dantal. This simple Bengali style recipe tastes too good. You will be able to enjoy this nutritious Panchmishali tarkari with rice any day. Do subscribe for easy, tried and tested recipes. Welcome to my kitchen. Panchmishali tarkari. That means a mix of vegetables. Today I am using what I had: cauliflower, pumpkin, broad beans, or simply that I have strung and cut into smaller pieces. I had some flat fresh peas that I have included in the recipe, potatoes cut into medium sized pieces, and brinjal or eggplants cut into medium sized pieces. And this is the most interesting ingredient, the stalk of spinach. So when you wash the spinach leaves, make sure to reserve the stalk. The thicker the stalk, the better it will be for this vegetable. So let's begin. For this recipe we are going to use shorshet tel or mustard oil. We will begin by frying the brinjal or the eggplants. Keep the oil hot. That took about 3 minutes and I'll get them out. Those are done. Keep aside. This is 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, a teaspoon of Panch Foron, and a red chili just to temper the oil. And then we'll start with the potatoes. They take longest to cook. Toss them for a minute. Cover it for a couple of minutes. Add in the pumpkin. So the detailed recipe is in the description box if you want to have a look. So I'll just cook this along with the potatoes for a minute. Season it with a bit of salt. Mix it. 2 more minutes. I'll add in a slit green chili and a bit of hing that I had forgotten to add. Mix it. Add in the cauliflower that I had washed in boiling hot water. Once the cauliflowers get a slight color on them, add in the same or the broad beans and the peas. You could also add in sweet potatoes or yam in this recipe. Even French beans, cabbage. Add in a bit more of the salt, teaspoon of sugar, a teaspoon of jeera, cumin powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, tiny bit of water. Cover this, lower the heat to medium, cook for 3 minutes. Let's add in a teaspoon of grated ginger. Give it a mix. Add in the spinach stock. Nothing should go to waste. And the fried brinjals. Cover and cook for a few minutes. Checking after 2 minutes. Smells good. That's almost done. If you like the video, share it with your friends and write your feedback in the comment section. So I'll add in a couple of green chilies. You could slit them and add. And a teaspoon of mustard oil on top. Cover it for a minute longer. Panch Foron is the Bengali fight spice. For the Panch Foron powder, dry roast half a teaspoon of Panch Foron, cool it down completely and then grind it. That is done. I'll just let some more of that water evaporate. Sprinkle a large pinch of the Panch Foron powder. And turn off the heat. Serve it hot with rice and enjoy.